GoPro, once the undisputed king of action cameras, has been struggling to keep pace in recent years as the market keeps evolving rapidly. The GoPro Hero 12 was quite a disappointment. Now, rumors are circulating about its successor, the Hero 13. Moreover, recently leaked images have sparked the hype more. In today's video, we'll go through the rumored specifications and features of the upcoming Hero 13, along with a possible price tag and release date. We will also analyze if you should hold your horses until it's released, or go for the Hero 12. So, let's get the video started. The new Hero 13 aims to address previous shortcomings while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a compact device. It is reported to use an enhanced version of the current 1.9-inch sensor, promising improved image quality and low-light performance. This, coupled with an upgraded GP3 processor, is expected to deliver faster performance and more sophisticated AI-driven features. Video capabilities should be excellent, with 5.23K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 2.7K at a staggering 240 FPS. One of the most anticipated upgrades is HyperSmooth 6.0, GoPro's latest version of its renowned stabilization technology. This could set a new standard for smooth, gimbal-like footage without the need for additional equipment. The Hero 13 is also expected to feature a larger, more vibrant touchscreen with improved brightness. GoPro seems to be addressing a common user concern with the introduction of new Enduro battery technology, promising extended battery life. This could be a game-changer for users who require longer shooting times without interruption. The device is said to maintain its rugged build, with water resistance up to 10 meters without additional housing. With an enhanced microphone system for better wind noise reduction, we can see great audio improvements in this model. Connectivity-wise, upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities are expected to facilitate faster file transfers and smoother interaction with the GoPro app. While the Hero 13 appears to be a substantial upgrade, its success will ultimately depend on how these improvements translate to real-world performance. The Hero 13 is rumored to be released on September 16, 2024, with a price point higher than previous models. So, should you wait for it? The final verdict will depend on the actual performance and pricing of the Hero 13 upon release. However, based on the information available, it appears that waiting for the GoPro Hero 13 could be a wise choice for those seeking the latest in action camera technology. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this upcoming GoPro model. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates like this.